Thanks to Joel at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by Sensen. We always recommend you go to professional for this type of repair. However, this one was fairly simple with the right tools. Today we are replacing a set of rear complete strut assemblies on a 2001 Oldsmobile Intrigue. This set fits the 1998 to 2002 Intrigue, the 2000 to 2007 Chevy Monte Carlo, and the 2000 to 2011 Chevy Impala. We always recommend using Speedy Struts by Sensen when replacing your worn-out struts. Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by Sensen come with a limited lifetime warranty. Sensen uses OE-grade coil springs and strut mounts with premium-grade bearings. All Speedy Struts are assembly tested for vehicle fitment accuracy and come in high-quality premium packaging. Better components, better processes, and better quality, Speedy Strut is the better option. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 13mm socket and a 21mm socket.
(2001) Oldsmobile. What we're gonna do is you're gonna have two plastic clips right here on the inside holding this carpet. They're gonna be twist clips. You're gonna have one on the top, one down the bottom corner. You're gonna turn those, take them off, and that'll allow you to hold this carpet back to access the strut. See two clips like this. They're just going to turn on, stick them off. Then you're going to peel this carpet down. And in the back is where you're going to see your top strut mounts. So those are going to be a 15mm. You go ahead and take those off. Alright, now on the back here, pretty much almost like the front. The only difference is on the rear, you have the sway bar end link onto it. So what you're going to do, you're going to take the sway bar end link off. Use a 19mm. And that comes right off. Push that back, out of the way. Now we'll move on to strut mount. Now these bottom bolts down here are going to be 21mm. Next, you're going to come in with the hammer, take them out. Now the rears, like the fronts, have a knurled section, so you're going to have to use a hammer to get them out. Pull the knuckle down, push the strut back, strut out by pushing down on the spindle. What you can do is underneath here for the brake lines, because your brake lines are probably going to be in the way. Come in here, you got one 10mm bolt, and that loosens up the brake line bracket. That'll give you enough room to be able to get this strut out. And there it is. And you go back up top, take out the one bolt you got holding it, and take that out. And you got that off, come back over here. What you're going to do, pull the strut assembly out. Lay them down, compare them, same length, everything same. Make sure on the top with these that you have the right side going in. There's a passenger side and the driver's side are two different. Passenger side has the bolt over on this side. Driver's side has it on this side. So if you're trying to put the driver in the passenger, it's not going to work. You can see it's got brand new rubber boot on there, all new top hat, everything on here is brand new. Good to go. Go ahead and take these nuts off. And what you can do, slide this up. Starting at the bottom, take your bolts, go ahead and start with the bottom first. Go ahead and rest that there. If you lower the car down, get a couple of nuts on the top, or at least one to hold it up. Then we can come back down, tighten up the top, then we'll come down and finish the bottom. Go ahead and find one stud that you can get some thread on, and go ahead and start tightening that. Then go ahead and get the other two on. Tighten these down. You may have to use a wrench instead of a socket like I'm doing. Make sure you get it nice and tight. Bolt in the back. Alright, now what you're going to do, you're going to have to use the hammer, tap those bolts in a little bit so you can get some of the threaded section out to be able to put the nuts back on. And go ahead and tighten them down. You're going to take this side off for this way bar inlet. Now, once you get the sway bar end link off, you can put it on the correct way. Top in there, go ahead and place that right here. Go and thread it on as far as it'll go. And the bottom, put that sway bar. Grab the nut for that, and do the same thing. Just go ahead and tighten them off. Put on your hubcap cover. That's all there is for a rear strut.
This concludes our rear complete strut assembly installation on a 2001 Oldsmobile Intrigue. Be sure to look for our front complete strut assembly installation video for this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pro and Auto Service for their professional installation.